Hi everyone, this is Anarati and great to feature Mauro Lumba. Thank you to na Super Vibes.
2014,
Yeah,
10 years. Oh my
2014,
God.
10 years
Oh
ago.
my God, yeah.
So ngayon, after mo maging Super Buds, ikaw na yung trainer ng mga celebrities. Una si Catherine, ngayon naman si Aga, tsaka si Doma.
Yeah.
So ano yung mga binigay mo sa kanila ng mga important trainings to keep them fit, healthy, and ageless?
Well, for sure, you have your basics naman. Of
Mm.
course, you have to have your compound lifts, mga yan, basic squat,
Ah,
bench press, deadlift. Basta all the necessary things just to keep you in shape and to get you a little bit more for your longevity. Yan.
and si Catherine, ang ganda ng ano niya, transformation, di ba?
Glow up.
Di ba? Grow up. Kay Catherine, ano yung mga fitness tips na mga binigay mo sa kanya?
Well, si Catherine naman kasi, she started out very slim. And
Okay.
then, but of course, she has her willingness kasi to really learn. And then siya, medyo dahil bata pa, kaya niya i-push talaga. So I made it a little bit more harder for the workouts. And for sure, okay naman siya, walang complain. And yun, naging maganda yung result for her. But yeah, of course, strength pa rin, may cardio, it's a mix of a lot of stuff. But yeah, good thing it worked for her.
And ito sa problema, isa sa mga problema namin lahat yung busy schedule. Especially sikat na napaka-busy, paano nyo nasingit yung mga fitness regimen, mga training nyo? So
Ayun
paano nyo
nga,
ginagawa?
well, I think it's just all about time management. Yun nga, gaya ng sabi mo, si Kat, is, he has a lot on her plate, but for sure, she just find the time talaga to, yun, prioritize her fitness. So during the day, kung may free siya, she'll text me, she'll message me, diba? So yun talaga, just prioritization and time management. Yeah.
Okay, and one last na lang siguro, how is Catherine as your trainee? Bilang trainer niya and bilang trainee mo siya, so how is it working with her? Especially, napakasikat niya, di ba? So, paano yung naging working?
I'm very grateful to have her as my client as well. And I honestly treat her as a friend also. She's been very nice to me. She's treated me very well also. And yun, just the respect. And I actually really idolize her. Of course, sobrang galing niya pala umarte talaga.
Yeah.
And yun, it's really, I'm just grateful for the opportunity. And yun, it's fun. I'm happy to have worked with her and tuloy-tuloy sa kanila.
And ano pa nga abangan sa'yo, Mauro? Nakita ka namin natin sa acting series, di ba?
Na?
Sa ABS-24.
Wala na.
Ngayon, gano'n ka pa bang paano
We'll
ka
see,
pa
we'll
to
see. Ngayon, as of now, wala naman. But just continuing staying fit, training people, yeah, staying fit lang. Yun lang muna for today.
Okay.
Thank you, bro.
Mauro, and congrats. Thank you.